Hello and welcome. In today's update, we focus on a significant upcoming meeting between former US President Donald Trump and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Trump and Modi meeting. Donald Trump, now the Republican candidate for the 2024 US presidential election, is set to meet with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi during Modi's visit to the US next week. While the specifics of their meeting remain under wraps, it's expected to focus on key issues between the two countries. Trump's praise for Modi. During a recent campaign event in Michigan, Trump spoke highly of Modi, describing him as fantastic and emphasizing his impressive leadership. Trump placed Modi among top global leaders who are highly skilled and well-positioned in international affairs. Trade tensions. However, Trump wasn't shy in addressing trade challenges, calling India a very big abuser when it comes to trade relations with the US. He also noted that countries like Brazil share similar tough trade practices, reflecting his long-standing stance on rebalancing international trade. Context of the campaign and assassination attempt. Trump's remarks come just days after a second apparent assassination attempt on his life, making his appearance and his foreign policy focus all the more significant. As the presidential race heats up between Trump and Vice President Kamala Harris, foreign relations are becoming a central theme of his campaign. Modi's US visit agenda. Modi's visit includes attending a Quad summit alongside leaders from Australia, Japan, and the US, with discussions set to focus on regional security and cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. Additionally, Modi will participate in the United Nations General Assembly and meet members of the Indian American community. A history of strong relations. Trump and Modi share a history of close ties. During Trump's presidency, their relationship was highlighted by a major event in 2020, when Modi organized a massive rally in India with over 125,000 attendees to welcome Trump. This event symbolized the strength of their partnership and the bond between the two nations. Significance of the meeting. This upcoming meeting between Trump and Modi could have lasting effects on US-India relations. While Trump has been critical of India's trade policies, both countries share common interests in areas like defense and international security, which are likely to be discussed. Global impact of the US-India relationship. As the geopolitical landscape shifts, particularly in the Indo-Pacific, the US-India relationship remains critical. This meeting could help shape the future of collaboration on issues such as trade, defense, and global diplomacy, making it an important moment to watch. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates as this meeting unfolds and for other developments in global diplomacy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.